Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by giving the AI a tight seed, not vague ideas, but concrete constraints. Tell it genre, tone, length, and who the reader is. This anchors choices. Next, define protagonist, goal, stakes, and one constraint so the model has drama to drive. Then supply style references or 2 example lines to shape voice. Once done, ask for a 3-scene outline. This first actionable step converts abstract intent into a plan you can iterate on. Now you expand the outline into scene-level detail. Request 3-6 scenes and ask the AI to label beats: inciting incident, rising tension, midpoint reversal, and climax that clarifies pacing. Make the model list each character's motivation and likely reaction and require sensory details to ground the prose. Then iterate scene by scene. Revise one scene, keep edits to about 10 to 20%, and rerun. This focused, modular approach finish by polishing voice, smoothing pacing, and tying thematic threads together. You ask the AI for a voice consistency pass and targeted line edits, focusing on passive to active, showing instead of telling, and sentence variety. Once done, request a single paragraph synopsis and 3 alternative endings for options. If the AI repeats, stalls, or produces bland text, change scope, lower or raise temperature, or reset the conversation and paste the latest draft back in. That troubleshooting tip gets you unstuck fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.